Away they go. Fraser-Pryce is already half a metre behind Bryant. Bryant has started very well indeed. It's these two going stride for stride. But look at Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce rolling back the years. My word, 10.97. We said she would get quicker and quicker. We said she would go sub 11 seconds. She's done both those things and she is absolutely delighted. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce racing here in London for the first time as a mother. Little boy Zion will be looking on somewhere, I'm sure, looking at his mother do what she does best. She didn't get the best of starts. Bryant, as she did in the heat, got out of the blocks with a flyer, but Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce gradually reeled her in, and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, at the age of 31, is back to winning ways.